Yo, what's up everybody? It's your man, Bam, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're an aspiring artist, you know the struggle of getting your music out there. But before you hit the big time, you gotta start somewhere, right? Today, we're diving headfirst into the essential recording equipment for all you beginner artists. We're talking about the gear that's gonna take your sound from meh to whoa. So whether you're a singer-songwriter, a rapper, or a full-blown band, stick around because we're about to break down the must-have tools to kickstart your recording journey. Let's get started. First up, the star of the show, the one and only, the microphone. This, my friends, is non-negotiable. It's the gateway for your voice, your instrument, your sound to be heard by the world. Now, there are tons of microphones out there, from dynamic mics, great for live performances and handling high sound pressure, to condenser mics, known for their sensitivity and detail, perfect for studio vocals. As a beginner, you're probably looking for something versatile, something that can handle both vocals and instruments without breaking the bank. Trust me, you don't need to drop a fortune on a high-end mic right out the gate. There are plenty of affordable options that deliver exceptional sound quality. We'll drop some recommendations in the description below. Next up, we're talking about the unsung hero of your home studio setup, the audio interface. Now, you might be thinking, can I just plug my mic directly into my computer? And while some computers do have built-in mic inputs, trust me, an audio interface is a game changer. Think of it as the bridge between your microphone and your computer, ensuring that pristine, high-quality sound is captured and transferred without any unwanted noise or distortion. Plus, a dedicated audio interface often comes with preamps, which boost the signal of your microphone, giving you a cleaner and more powerful sound. All right, let's talk headphones. Now, I know what you're thinking. I've got my trusty earbuds, I'm good, right? But hold up. When it comes to recording, a good pair of studio headphones is crucial. Why? Because they allow you to hear every single detail of your recordings without any distractions from the outside world. We're talking about accurate sound reproduction, so you can hear every note, every breath, every nuance of your performance. Look for headphones that offer a neutral sound signature, meaning they don't exaggerate any particular frequencies. You want to hear your recordings as they truly are, so you can make informed decisions during mixing and mastering. Let's talk about those pesky P and B sounds, those plosives that can wreak havoc on your recordings. You know what I'm talking about? Well, fear not, because the pop filter is here to save the day. This simple yet effective accessory sits between your mouth and the microphone, acting as a shield against those bursts of air that cause those unwanted pops. It's like a magic barrier that ensures your vocals sound smooth and polished. Trust me, once you start using a pop filter, you'll wonder how you ever lived without one. Plus, they're super affordable. Last but not least, let's talk about microphone stands. Now, you might be tempted to just prop your mic up on a stack of books, but trust me, a dedicated microphone stand is worth its weight in gold. A good stand provides stability and flexibility, allowing you to position your microphone exactly where you need it. Whether you're sitting down or standing up, you want to make sure your microphone is at the optimal distance and angle for capturing your best sound. Plus, it just looks more professional, right? And there you have it, the essential recording equipment for beginner artists. Remember, you don't need to break the bank to get started. Focus on quality over quantity and gradually build your setup over time. The most important thing is to get in there and start creating. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. Leave a comment down below and let me know what gear you're rocking in your home studio. Thanks for watching.